Forget Paris. This is where travelers are heading in 2025. Welcome to Zanzibar, the jewel of the Indian Ocean. Picture this. White sandy beaches meeting crystal-clear turquoise waters. This East African island offers more than just breathtaking views. It's a cultural treasure trove. Stroll through Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at its blend of Swahili, Arabic, and European influences. Hungry? Taste the island's iconic spice-infused cuisine at a local market. It's a feast for your taste buds. Adventure seekers can dive into vibrant coral reefs or sail into the sunset on a traditional dhow. Zanzibar is not only postcard perfect, but it's also welcoming and safe, where you can travel effortlessly. So why wait? Pack your bags. Your ultimate tropical escape is waiting. Drop your dream destination in the comments and subscribe for more adventures. This is Destination Travel.